During the early stages of the first lockdown of COVID, we engaged with a lot of our managers, and we were saying to these managers, what things frustrate you? Why can't you find certain documents? Are you struggling to find certain things? And the feedback was coming back, it was a mixture of issues. It was simple things. The company insurance, public liability insurance, can't find it. Where is it? Where's it posted? And when you looked at our corporate website, it was predominantly stakeholder material, so share price, high level documents and so forth. And what these guys really needed at operational level was a hub where they could find pretty much anything they wanted to around the subjects of health, safety, well-being, sustainability, training and quality. The core ethos of this was to create during the lockdown period, when we had some time and resource available, to be able to build this library of information. We knew that we'd already got a SharePoint platform in place, so what all we really needed was the framework of the system. The intention was to get to what you really wanted with as few clicks as possible, keeping it simple. Well, if we bring it up, it's accessed from any of the company devices within Breedon. So the format, as you see, you've got some 6 main tiles on there. If we take, for instance, the health and safety tab, we're clicking on that health and safety tab and immediately you've got a sub-level. So what we're looking for again for the site manager is the fact I don't want to go looking between tiles. I don't want to go to different places for things. So all of the health and safety related documentation is held within one area. You could go into books and forms and I'll click on that particular link. And then depending on which part of the business you're in, you've got copies and examples of all of the documents that we currently produce and print in hard copy. And you've also got the link direct to the manufacturer's website. Because it's SharePoint, you can just simply upload a file, you can link a website link into it, literally by cutting and pasting. I think the reason we chose to do this internally, we could create this with our managers' heads in mind. And I think the additional advantage for us is the fact that because it's so easy to administrate, as far as, say, an SME is concerned, it's low cost, it's easy for people to set up. Literally, I uploaded somewhere in the region of 500 to 600 documents, photographs and bits and pieces in a couple of 3 hours on a Wednesday night during lockdown or whatever. Once the framework of the system is done, there's no licensing, there's no maximum or minimum number of users. Everybody in the organization can see the information. We are taking workload off site managers who we don't want in front of a laptop all the time. That gives them more time to get out into the workplace, looking for unsafe acts, looking for unsafe conditions, and helping safety drive forward.